welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a really fun stitch called the Y stitch. Why do we call it the Y stitch? Well, look at it. It looks like a Y. I think it's a really fun stitch. Good for lacy things or things where you want some fun little different stitches to play around with. I really enjoy this stitch. So I want to take a minute and show you how you can do the Y stitch. So let's go ahead and get going. You can use this in anything that you want. I'm just using a medium weight 4 cotton yarn here today, and the Y stitch is the same height as a triple or a treble crochet. So I just have a row here where I started off with some treble crochets to begin with, and you don't have to do it this way. You can just start with the Y if you want, but it is a stitch that could stand to have some stability or border on the side, which is why I usually started off with a couple of the trebles, but you don't have to do that. So let's take a look at what you need to do in order to make this Y stitch. So the first thing you want to do is start with a treble crochet. And I'm going to skip one here so I have a little bit of space to work on this treble. And I'm going to go ahead and do a complete triple crochet. And then I'm going to chain one. And then what I want to do is I want to do the other angle of the Y. And to do that, instead of going into one of these stitches here, I'm going to go back into the base of the treble crochet with a double crochet. So to do that, we're going to yarn over, and then here's your treble crochet right here. If you see these two loops right here at the bottom of the treble crochet, that's where we're going to go in. Okay, these are kind of angled loops right there. We're going to stick our hook right underneath those two loops, if you can see that. And then you're going to make your double crochet like normal. And let's take a look at that. So we have the treble crochet that came down and created the right part of the Y and the stem, and then you put the double crochet under the part of the treble crochet that makes it kind of anchor off of that to create the left side of the Y. And let's do that again. So we're going to do a treble crochet, but you're going to skip 2 stitches in between your Y stitches, okay? So skip 2. In the third one, you're going to start with just making your treble crochet like normal. You're going to chain 1 to make that space right here. And then you're going to do your double crochet in the base of the treble, these 2 loops right here. And then just complete your double crochet like normal. All right, there's your Y. Let's do that one more time. Skip 2 stitches and do a treble crochet. Chain 1. And then you're going to do a double crochet in the base of the treble right there. And let's take a look at what that looks like. There you have 3 Y stitches, which is a treble crochet height stitch. And you can use this for so many fun things. I actually have this pattern here that I'm going to be coming out with here pretty soon, so look for that in my channel. But in the meantime, give this stitch a go and see what you can do with it and how you can be creative and use it in some of your patterns. I hope you enjoy this. If you have any questions on this stitch, please don't hesitate to put a comment down below. And if you would help out the channel by liking and subscribing, I would sure appreciate it. Thanks everyone. I'll see you next time.